Guys, kain tayo. Ito pala yung curry. Curry fish. Yay! This one is rice. I'm so excited. Wow. A lot, Lolo. Wow. Wow.
Looks nice.
Looks nice.
Take big spoon.
Let's see. We have eggplant, fish. Wow, so yummers, Lolo. Sarap. Kain tayo, guys. Merong okra. Ayan. Tapos may rice dito. Wow, coconut rice. It's a yellow. That's it, Lolo. Yummers. Ayan, kain. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Ayan, guys. Ang sarap. It's so nice, Lolo.
Oh, you know.
It's sour like. Ayan, sarap. The sauce is very nice, Lolo.
That's why I say you
I
eat
like.
this. That's why I say
It's
you eat
better than the Pizza Hut.
Yes.
I know, right? That's why I told you why,
I
right?
know, right? I eat this before.
So let's eat, Lolo. Yummers. Kain po tayo.